movie, and kung pwede nyo i-share, ano yung mga favorite scenes na na-shooting nyo dun sa movie?
Spoiler!
Hindi, ano lang, kahit a bit lang nung...
Nagpapaalam.
Ano, basta sobrang nag-enjoy kami while shooting the film. As in, nahirapan kaming lahat dahil nga yung mga struggles yung like sa weather, ganyan. Pero sobrang nag-enjoy talaga kami. And sobrang bagong experience natin sa amin to. And yung favorite scene ko,
Sorry pa, we need to consult muna.
yung isa sa mga favorite scenes ko, mapakita mamaya. Basta yung mga light scenes, yun yung favorite ko. Kasi, dun lang yung kaya ko. Yung sa heavy scenes, wag na kami.
Hindi kasi, basically yung light scenes po kasi parang hindi na po kami maarte.
Totoo. Sobrang natural po sa amin.
Parang yung action po, cue na lang yun to be ourselves.
Pero yung mga favorite,
What was your favorite part of the story?
I love that too.
I like that part. My favorite
Ang sarap ng tapa nila.
Sabi ko nakakaaliw na parts lang kaya sigurado po ako mag-enjoy
Kasi pag sinabi na po naman na spoiler na eh.
Spoiler na. Kaya kinansot ko muna
May isa ako, yung umere na restaurant scene. Yung nagpapaturo si Alden kung paano mag-Italia. The story about that scene is, I set up the two cameras and then I just let it roll. Bahala na hanggang maubos lang talaga. Kasi meron nga silang lines, pero parang I think 80% of that is ad-lib. So, that is where you see the chemistry of an Alden and a Maine. Hindi mo kailangan scripted lahat. I just let them play, and then doon mo makita yung mga nuances na you can't direct that. Mga happy accidents na.
Yung scene na po yun sa restaurant, ginawa po namin ni Alden na may tampuhan po kami.
Actually.
Hindi po kami nagpapansinan before
the take.
Opo. So, nung nag-roll na, saka lang, mahirap. Actually, mahirap magtrabaho na hindi kami okay.
What was the reason?
Wow!
Personal na po yun. Pero mga maliliit na tampuhan lang kasi madalas po napapalaki namin.
Doon kami nagkaroon ng deal na hindi namin papakapain.
Oo, di ba?
Oo. Nakakainis. So yun. Kasi actually po, kahit naman po siguro kaninong love team, pag meron talagang hindi tampuhan in terms of sa work, mahirap pong kumilos. Mahirap gawing, I don't know if you notice, it's really hard to fake it if something's wrong.
Okay, so, sir?
Hello, sir. Hi, Direk.
Bigyan mo muna siya ng chance.
Abuso.
Oh my God.
Hindi, ayoko yung tanong.
Siguro kay Direk po muna. Direk, making this film is probably like the biggest challenge of all. Kasi you actually have a lot of equipment also. Paano nyo sinorse yun? Did you also use like an Italian crew to shoot? Paano yung coordination nyo with them? And did you also bring people from the Philippines to actually go there?
Yeah, yung tinatawag namin Team Italia, the group that went there was 24 people from here. Which is a big enough crew. I was very thankful sa mga producers natin na nag-invest talaga sila. Pero 24 people is very few to make a movie.
Yes.
If you're in the Philippines, mahina ang 150 with all the crew and everything. So, kailangan talaga namin ng tulong sa Italy. So we actually got an Italian crew to help us. So it was half Pinoy, half Italian na crew. If you guys saw the premiere yesterday, doon, pinakilala namin most of the crew. Pero yung mga talaga, yung mga syempre yung mga sobrang importanteng mga trabaho like director of photography and production designer, yun, mga Pinoy lahat yun. Tapos the crew were mainly yung manual, like grips, gaffers, yung mga ganon. Naman sila, marunong naman sila mag-English, okay naman. Noong una lang, hindi talaga nila wala silang idea how big Aldab was. Kaya nung sa pagdating lang nitong dalawang to sa airport, sobrang nagkagulo na. Doon lang nila na-realize. Sinabi nila sa amin. Because, and then the fact that a group of fans would always follow us every single location. For the whole time we were in Italy, every single location, nahahanap kami. Yun na nga, sinabi nila, they worked on Ocean's 12 with George Clooney, Brad Pitt, Matt Damon. They worked on The Tourist with Angelina Jolie, and that never happened. That never happened with Hollywood stars. Kasi joke namin palagi is daan muna tayo sa villa ni George Clooney, gano'n. Tapos yung sinasabi, well, George Clooney was never followed around like Aldab. It's true. Pumunta kami na, hindi ko pwede sabihin saan tayo pumunta, no? We went to another city in Italy. Yung medyo okay, we went to Verona. Okay? So we went to Verona, which is 3.5 hours away. So when we went to Verona, nag-stop kami sa isang gas station. We were 6 big vans. Tapos sunod-sunod kami nag-park, baba kaming lahat, if you wanna buy drinks or whatever. Pag-park namin lahat, tuloy-tuloy yung mga nagpa-park at tabi namin, yun yung mga Pinoy na fans. Kasama kami all the way. They went all the way to Verona, they went all the way back. Talagang kahit, and they've never seen that, not even Hollywood stars have that kind of following.